What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video here at Wall Street PR. In today's video, I'm going to be going over a company that I've actually gone over in the past, and that company is Exxe Group. Ticker symbol is, you can see in the top left of your screen, right here by my cursor, is AXXA. As you guys can see, a very interesting looking chart. They hit an all-time high up here at 9 cents per share, and this was back on December 30th of 2021, so not that long ago, about 2 months ago. And ever since then, they pulled back dramatically. They stabilized, and then they pulled back again now down to my buy level that I mentioned in my last video of about 2 cents per share, or 0.025. But as always, guys, I'm going to give an overview and a background of the company, what they do, and some of the recent news. And like I said, I did cover this company in the past. I gave more of an in-depth breakdown about what they actually do and the behind-the-scenes things and things like that. So if you want to, you could go ahead and check out this video, because I'm just going to be briefly touching on the background of the company and then one recent news article right here about their record revenue and net income for the December 2021 quarter. But to start, over here on their website called exxegroup.com, if you see over here on their About Us page, you can see they have $232 million worth of assets. The revenue is currently sitting at $34 million, and they do own or are a part of 28 different businesses. You can see who we are. Exxe Group is a publicly traded fintech company trading under the ticker symbol AXXA. The company seeks to acquire controlling equity interests in undervalued assets, transforming them by providing both capital and structured financing, as well as operational management expertise. And Exxe Group has successfully executed 28 acquisitions across several different industries. If we take a look at some of the recent news, this is an article that I actually did cover in my previous video with them. Exxe Group launches new entertainment-centric digital footprint in metaverse initiative. I've talked about this in countless videos, how I believe the metaverse is the future. I think cryptocurrency, the metaverse, anything like that is going to be extremely big in the next few years to come. You can see more and more big companies are buying out spaces in the metaverse. They're buying land, they're opening shops, they're doing whatever they can to get their feet wet and get really engaged in the future, which is, in my opinion, going to be the metaverse. So Exxe Group is doing the same thing, and I think that's exactly what you want to see as a prospective investor in a company. But now to go over the most recent news article, this did come out on February 16th of 2022. So at the time of this video, this was exactly a week ago this came out. You can see it's titled Exxe Group reports record revenue and net income for December 2021 quarter. Highlighted here with these bullet points, you can see that they generated substantial revenue and net income growth on a year-over-year basis. Their quarterly revenue jumped by 53.1% to a new record of $14.2 million versus 2020's numbers that were listed last year. And then net income soared to a record $3.4 million, up 41.8% from the December 2020 quarter. Down here as well, you can see that gross profit in the December 2021 quarter grew by over 114% to $6.7 million versus the $3.1 million in the quarter 3 of 2021, which resulted in a gross profit margin of 47.4% versus the 33.8% in the third quarter of 2021. The gross profit margin also enjoyed a healthy rise for the September 2021 quarter 22 levels, as well as the margin was 45.1, for the prior period. While operating expenses grew to reflect the increase in revenue, operating margin of 26.3% compared with the 10.9% margin for quarter 3 of 2021. So overall, guys, great news, great results, over about 30 to 40%, pretty much, in terms of percentage, at least a 30 to 40% increase in basically every important category of their business and every important part of that balance sheet. If we take a look over here as well, you can see they did pull back recently. Like I said, they did pull back to the level that I am comfortable with being a buyer at, and that's this 2 cent price range. I'm going to go ahead and pull out this horizontal line. You can see they're currently sitting at it at the moment, but all the way back here where my cursor is, they bounced off it in the past. They bounced off of this level right here. They kind of dipped below it before bouncing back off it right here. I do expect them to kind of have a similar move off of this price level again. I'm going to draw a trend line in right there. I do expect kind of a move like this back up to about 3 to 4 cents per share, and I think that's the fair value, or at least a more modest price target for Exxe Group at the moment is 3 to 4 cents per share. Obviously, a lot more potential upside in the future, but now is a good buy in my opinion, guys. Huge pullback from that all-time high. The RSI is indicating that they are oversold at 29.91. Anything below 30 means oversold, and that's a good time to potentially buy. The MACD is curling down as well, and I do think they are due for reversal off of this level. I do think the broader market as a whole will finally begin to recover, and we will see some of these growth stocks begin to gain back some of their previous lost gains. But with that said, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to do your own research before investing and only invest what you can afford to lose. If you're new to my channel, please do subscribe. I'll have new videos out every week. But with that said, guys, thank you so much, and I'll see you all in the next one.